Some parents might be asking, is 4 months too late to start tummy time? And the truth is, tummy time does need to be started by day 0, day 1. So you do, in best case scenario, want to bring the infant home and work on tummy time in different positions throughout their wake periods, right? So you want them to be tummy time on your chest. You want to try tummy time on the floor. You want to do tummy time maybe on a stability ball or on your knees. All of those different positions and ideas are linked in this book, which is linked in the description. But you do want to start as early as possible to give the baby the best foundation for those future milestones. Now, if your baby is 4 months and you have not been focusing on tummy time, that is okay. I don't want you to feel guilty about that. I just want you to understand that there is a risk that the baby may not have enough strength through their neck, their arms, their shoulders, and their upper trunk to move on to rolling if you don't change something right now. So we want to start implementing tummy time in different positions to work up to that 5 to 10 minute tolerance so that weakness in the top half of their body is not going to limit them from progressing to rolling in that 6-month range. So these play positions are really important to build the strength so that they can then do harder things like roll from belly to back and crawl on hands and knees. Make sure you check the tummy time checklist. It's a free downloadable checklist that you can go through with all of my YouTube videos kind of explaining the different exercises and different things you can look at, and make sure that your baby has everything that they need and they don't have any hidden blocks like arm tightness or neck tightness, resulting in some complications with them being able to tolerate 5 to 10 minutes of tummy time after 3 months. Definitely make sure that you check out the tummy time playlist, grab tummy time and learning to roll book so that you can do a little bit more intentional play. We have tummy time play positions all the way from newborns through kind of that 5-6 month range. And it gives you a ton of different ideas, 240 pictures of different tummy time positions that you can help and try out with your little so that you can kind of fill in those gaps if some time has been missed up to this point. If you haven't yet, make sure to grab a copy of Tummy Time and Learning to Roll. If you have a little 0 to 6 months and really want to make sure that they have a strong foundation so that they can make sure that they master rolling in all 4 directions, belly to back over the right shoulder, left shoulder, back to belly over the right shoulder and left shoulder. So then they're set up to have a strong foundation for crawling on hands and knees. If you have more questions, make sure you drop them in the comments, or for those who really want a little bit more one-on-one time with a pediatric physical therapist to ask questions on tummy time, rolling, troubleshoot next steps, and to make sure that your baby has a really strong foundation for their future milestones, you can book an online parent consultation with me. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. During our time together, I'll make sure all of your questions are answered and that we point you in the right direction so you feel supported on your baby's development journey.